7 creative methods to achieve financial independence. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Imagine a life where you're in control of your finances, free from the stress of money worries. Today, we're diving into 7 creative methods to achieve financial independence. Stick around, because this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Welcome to Creative Cruise. Achieving financial independence isn't just a dream. It's a process, and it starts with understanding what you truly want. Let's get started. Method 1. Know what you want. Knowing what you want is the principle that guides your actions and decisions, reflecting what matters most to you. Setting a target like making $1 million is fantastic, but you'll only become intentional about achieving it if you have a clear blueprint. This blueprint can include what you admire in others, what you want to develop in yourself, what motivates you, the kind of culture you want to work in, and the environment you need to do your best work. Knowing what you want is a smart way to achieve financial independence. Method 2. Write it down. Once you know what you want, write it down. Writing your goals might seem like extra work when you could just remember them, but writing provides a visual cue, encoding your goals into your brain. This process enhances your ability to recall and stay focused on your objectives. During my school days, I noticed that jotting down notes helped me remember crucial information better. Writing things down makes your mind more efficient by highlighting what truly matters. Your goals are important, so make them stick by putting them on paper. Method 3. Map your plans. Goals provide a clear endpoint to compare against, allowing you to track your progress. Setting goals helps you learn more about yourself, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and grow. When you plan for financial freedom, you anticipate challenges and turn setbacks into opportunities for growth. Mapping your plans helps you progress toward your goals, gaining new insights and perspectives along the way. Method 4. Invest in yourself. Growth doesn't just happen, you have to invest in yourself. This means focusing on self-improvement and learning. Listen to audio programs, purchase courses in your niche, read personal finance books, and find online articles about money and earning more. As you gain knowledge, you'll become a sought-after expert in your field. Ask yourself, what will happen if I don't invest in myself? Where will I be in 5 years if I just wait for growth to happen? Answering these questions will make things crystal clear and motivate you to commit to the necessary changes. Method 5. Dream big. Dreaming doesn't cost anything, but it's the first step toward making the money you want. Dreaming helps you see the big picture and motivates you to work toward your goals. Successful people dream big and live happier lives than those who settle for less. Big dreams help you avoid self-limiting boundaries and prioritize what's important. Research shows that dreaming can change your thinking level, which in turn changes the quality of your life. Method 6. Take action. Thinking about consequences before taking action is crucial for making informed decisions. It helps you avoid negative outcomes and ensures your actions align with your desired results. Not taking proper action toward your financial success can lead to regret and missed opportunities. Taking intentional action is key to achieving your financial goals. Method 7. Expect the best. Prepare for the worst. Expecting the worst-case scenario can drain your energy and focus. It's okay to consider various scenarios to be prepared, but then let it go. Spend the rest of your time focusing on the best possible outcomes. Positive expectations lead to behaviors and emotions that contribute to success. Being aware of your expectations equips you with the positive mindset needed to achieve beautiful results in your financial journey. Achieving financial independence is within your reach. Start by knowing what you want, writing it down, mapping your plans, investing in yourself, dreaming big, taking action, and expecting the best. If you found these methods helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on personal financial and self-improvement. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. What's your next step toward financial freedom? Let's achieve our goals together. See you in the next video.